Now you shall pause for a moment to have a look at sample connection. Step 1. Install the feed water adapter. Shut off the water supply and turn on the kitchen faucet to release the water pressure. Disconnect the water pipe from the cold water supply valve. Find the 1 yellow faucet adapter and 2 water feed adapter. Remove the waterproof gasket from the 1 yellow faucet adapter and put it into the connection between the 1 water feed adapter and the water supply valve. Twist the 2 water feed adapter onto the cold water supply valve, connecting 3 hose and cold water pipe to the water feed adapter. Step 2. Install the water control switch. Use 4 accessories to install the 5 water control switch in the pool pre-drilled holes. Connect 3 hose to 5 water control switch. Connect 6 adapter to 5 water control switch. Connect 8 L tube to 7 hose. Connect 8 L tube to 6 adapter. Step 3. Install the water purifier. Connect the 9 L tube to the other end of the 7 hose. Remove the blue clips from the water inlet of the water purifier. Connect the 9 L-shaped pipe to the water purifier inlet. Then put the blue clip back to its original position. Install the battery. Press the reset button to ensure that the filter cartridge lifetime display is normal. End. Turn on your water supply. Introduction to faucet installation methods. Find the interface fittings to match your faucet in the accessory kit. Connecting interface fittings to faucet connections. Attaching the water outlet to the interface fitting. Connecting 12 fitting to 7 hoses. Connecting 12 fitting to the water outlet unit and connect the other end of the hose to the water purifier. For the first time, please drain water for 3 minutes. Then you can enjoy healthy water. Introduction to cartridge replacement. Fold the water outlet arm. Toggle switch outward. Rotate the outlet arm counterclockwise. Rotate the cartridge 90 degrees counterclockwise. Pull out the cartridge. Put the new cartridge into the slot and rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Rotate the water outlet arm clockwise until it is firm. Fold the water outlet arm, toggle switch inward. Press the reset button to reset the cartridge life display. Press and hold the setting button for 3 seconds to enter the time setting mode.